What are your thoughts on making money with Google Apps? You should believe it if you don't believe it yet, since the extension has made making money online a whole lot simpler. I was amazed at how much money a simpler Google app can generate. To make money with me, simply follow the simple. Here are the instructions I'll provide you in today's video. You won't need any professional or special abilities. You won't need to invest. You won't need any social media following or engagements. I'll show you how you can potentially earn massive sums of money online. If you follow my instructions, you will certainly be able to reach the amounts on the screen if you follow my instructions and use Google Translate. The most amazing thing about this technique is that you can repeat it unlimited times. You will certainly make a lot of money online if you put in a little more effort. Watch every second of this video to figure out how to set the app up properly, to figure out how to use it. Before we go further to this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get back to the video. To begin, please go to Ladium.org. This platform has a lot of earning potential, but before I go into the details about what you'll do there, let me show you how to sign up for it and how much money you can make with a little to no effort. Only a few taps and clicks on your screen. Hover your mouse over Explore Projects on the Ladium site and click it. You will take into this page, which contains all of the platform's featured projects. The amount of money invested in each project is outstanding. As you can see, the best part is that there are hundreds of projects to choose from, so you are sure to find something you like. Let me explain. What we want to accomplish here is Ladium. In the simplest terms possible, the first step is to sign up. Then you must choose the project you want to work on and apply for it. If accepted, you will move on to the next step. The second step is to complete and submit the project as the customer has requested. Step 3 is the payment release, and that's all there is to it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you won't have to worry about the payment process because they pay within 24 hours, which is quite wonderful. Now I'll show you how to correctly register at Ladium so that you may get a free account. To receive that signing bonus, stick with me and learn the details to proceed. Simply click this button right here, where it says I want to work. After clicking, you'll be prompted to provide Liam with the required details and information. After you complete the registration process and verify your account via email, you will receive an immediate sign-up bonus. Just to make sure, check your email for the verification email and click on the verification link. After successfully sign up and verifying your account, you will then be able to see that you have earned the signing bonus. Imagine being able to complete a single project with a substantial payoff. It would completely change your life. So going back to the Exploration Projects page on the left-hand side, you can see all the categories accessible on this platform. Below are a few examples. Now to save you some time, I'll give you another idea on how to and where the focus is method. You can generate a consistent flow of money that you can turn into a consistent income source. So for the sake of making money, let's only focus on this one. Area of Translation and Languages. Click on that. You will be taken to pages that list all the work in this category. And doesn't worry, you won't need any technical knowledge, a large social media following, or a long resume to prove your life accomplishments. For the strategy to work, as I previously indicated, it will not take much effort on your part. All you have to do is click and press buttons. Utilize Google Translate as you can see in the featured projects. Service providers earn this amount or more for each project. To complete, implying that you may earn a lot more if you work on multiple projects at once. Imagine earning a large sum of money for each translation service you provide. You could improve your life as a result. Each project's salary will vary, as well as its payments options. Some customers will pay with PayPal or the like, while others will pay with the cryptocurrency. So let me show you how to translate a simple article so that you can understand the entire method and grasp the concept of making money online through this Google app. Now go to google.com and type in Google Translate in the search box. When you click search, you will lead to a screen where you can translate words or phrases. All you have to do is fill in the original language of the article and the language you want it to be in separate boxes. To continue, simply copy and paste the material into the left-hand column on its original language. When you paste it, it will automatically convert into English. If it's detected, it is incredible and time-saving. You simply type the article to be translated into this box, and it will translate it in a matter of seconds. Another option in Google Translate is to upload your translated project file as a Word document, and it will automatically translate the document where it was uploaded. Returning to the projects on Lydium.com, you can simply submit these translated projects. Once they're complete, ensure a speedy turnaround time and a great relationship with your clients, because only a few people are aware of it. Thus, while this is still a new chance, we should take advantage of it because our method is only known by a few individuals. As you can see from the samples, there are a variety of options too. Copy and paste the provided project into Google Translate, and the result will show in a matter of seconds, and that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have other questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.